Hi guys, welcome to the cloud support section. So you need to understand a bit about how to get support, and it comes up in a couple of areas in the exam guide. We've got security support at the bottom here. We've got technology support and billing support. So let's head over and look at the questions. So I'm going to click start, and the first question asks, which support plan provides access to architectural and operational reviews as well as 24/7 access to cloud support engineers through email, online chat and phone? So there's a few different support plans here. Basic doesn't give you much at all. You can only really ask stuff around billing and account questions. With developer, you get a little bit more, but not too much. But then with business and enterprise, you do get access to the cloud support engineers. Now, the thing that really makes the difference on this question is architectural and operational reviews. Now, I know that you only get those with the enterprise plan, so I'm going with enterprise, and I'm going to click on check. So that's the right answer, and I urge you to go to this particular URL. And what you'll need to do is you absolutely have to know the information in this table for your exam, because you're going to get possibly 4 questions on this, could be more, could be less. But just understanding what's on this particular table will help you to answer those questions. So we can see here that we've got the developer, business and enterprise. So basic doesn't exist on this table because it's nothing really. It's just them saying, well, if you have a billing question, of course you can contact them for that. They're not going to turn you away, but you don't get any kind of extra support. So developer, business and enterprise. The business and enterprise both get the cloud support engineers, but you only get the well-architected reviews and the operational reviews under enterprise. So the next question asks, a user has an AWS account with a business level support plan and needs assistance with handling a production service disruption. What action should the user take? So a service has potentially been disrupted in some way, maybe it's gone down. What should the user do? Now they've got a business level support plan. So what are they able to do with that? So let's look at these options. Contact the dedicated technical account manager. Now I know a technical account manager, a TAM, only comes with the enterprise plan, so they can't do that. Contact the concierge support team. That also only comes with the enterprise plan. So what about opening a business critical system down support case? Again, that's an enterprise plan. They don't get that, but they do get a production system down support case with the business plan. So I reckon that that's the correct answer. Let's just check that one. And that's definitely the correct answer. Let's go back to this web page here, and you'll see a little bit further down the page, nope, just up here somewhere, you can see the various SLAs. So you've got these different types of support ticket you can raise, and you can see that on enterprise you can do a business critical system down and you get a response in under 15 minutes. But the best you can do with business is production system down, which is less than 1 hour turnaround time. Now we've probably answered this question a minute ago, so you should notice this answer. So which support plan comes with a technical account manager? So from what we've just said, you should probably remember that that only comes with an enterprise plan. So the others are kind of out. So once you know these facts, these questions are quite easy to answer. Now let's just go back to this web page, and sure enough, you can see here you get a designated technical account manager to proactively monitor your environment and assist with optimization. Question 4 asks, which team is available to support AWS customers on an enterprise support plan with account issues? So if you have account issues, who do you talk to? Who's going to help you when you have an enterprise support plan? Now, it's not the technical account manager because it's an account issue. They're more about, technical issues. AWS Concierge looks like the correct team to me, and it's the team that I know that you only get with the enterprise support plan. Now, it's not going to be billing and accounts. You've got a special team when you're on the enterprise support plan, so you wouldn't just go to any sort of general team, and it's not a technical question. So to me, that's the best answer. So we'll just check that, and yes, again, that is correct. And let's go back here, and you can see that for account assistance, it's the concierge support team. So you can see that you can have a lot of questions, and it all just comes back to information on this web page. So make sure that you study this really well before your exam.